We'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs Virtual Camera. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop. Make sure your software is up to date. In the main interface, go to the bottom left and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Virtual Webcam on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to open the virtual webcam settings. Here, you'll see a button that says Start Virtual Camera. Click on this button to activate the virtual camera feature. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the virtual camera is now running. Next, you need to select the Streamlabs Virtual Camera as your video source in the application you want to use it with. For instance, if you're using Zoom, open Zoom, go to the video settings, and under the camera dropdown, select Streamlabs Virtual Camera as your video source. This will allow your Streamlabs scenes to be broadcasted as your webcam feed. If you're using OBS Studio, you can do something similar by going to the video source settings and choosing Streamlabs Virtual Camera as the input. To ensure everything is working, you can do a quick test by joining a meeting or starting a video call to see if the video from Streamlabs is being transmitted correctly. Remember, each application might have slightly different settings, but the key is to set Streamlabs Virtual Camera as the video input. This setup is great for presentations, live streaming, or any scenario where you want to share more than just your webcam feed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.